To use voice typing on a Xiaomi 17, first of all, we're gonna check if we have a voice typing enabled. So let's go to settings. Now over here, scroll down and choose additional settings. And afterwards, we should be able to proceed to languages and input, then go to manage keyboards and choose Gboard. Now, once we go to the keyboard settings, we should be able to find the voice typing option over here. And of course, we want to make sure that it is enabled. Also, we can enable faster voice typing, because why not? And over here now we can open our keyboard, and once you have it activated, you should be able to find this microphone on the right side. If you tap on it for the first time, you'll need to grant the permission for the keyboard to record audio or to use the microphone. So of course we can choose while using the app. And now whatever you say out loud, it should be converted into a text, just like you can see right now on the screen. So your speech is going to be converted into a text, so you don't have to type on the keyboard. Of course, you can tap on the microphone in order to deactivate it if it doesn't deactivate automatically once you end your sentence or your speech in general. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.